Nom. So we came up with this curry chicken sandwich in summertime, and it's fusion of Middle Eastern and Asian cuisine. Just make sure you have a fresh coriander and curry mayonnaise. Absolutely stunning. Yum. Bacon cheeseburger. This is not just like any other cheeseburger. Just make sure you use homemade buns, perfectly seared bacon, melted cheddar cheese, and freshly grounded meat at your local butcher shop. You will immediately recognize Big Mac flavor. What an amazing dish! Yum, yum, yum. Yum. You know what's better than burger? Yeah, right, burger in the morning. Especially this one. Veggies, ketchup, mustard mayonnaise, cheddar and bacon, and most importantly, pan-seared English muffin. This one is really scrumptious. Yum, yum. Yum. This burger is packed with flavor from the basement to the roof. I really urge you to fry your own nachos and bake your own buns here. You won't regret any second doing it. Now what a fantastic burger! Yum, yum. Yum. Now this is legendary one. We were inspired by KFC Chillicheese Sandwich, but we completely rebuilt it. The result is comfy, spicy, meaty, cheesy goodness. You might not want to share this with anyone, I swear. What a beautiful sandwich. Yum, yum. Yum. Don't wanna grab a meat? Never mind, cheddar bacon and egg might be just for you. You can even skip the bacon and you get a veggie sandwich that's packed with flavor, made in seconds. Now, what a great snack. Yum, yum. Smoky salmon sandwich. So this sandwich is inspired by smørbrød or New York City style bagel. We just smashed it into our Japanese milk sandwich bread, which is heavenly fluffy and goes super well with this smoky and sour combination. Absolutely love this one. Yum, yum. Yum. Now we totally love Sicilian pesto, so we thought, why can't we fix a sandwich with this? And this is a fragrant and flavorful veggie sandwich. Just make sure you use garlic, dried oregano and chili flakes. Now what a pleasant surprise. Yum, yum. Yum. If you love garlic bread like we do, this one is just for you. This sandwich is so addictive, guys. Be careful. One is really not enough. The combination of Parmigiano Reggiano and prosciutto is just wonderful. What a fantastic sandwich. Yum, yum. Yum. This one is really dangerous. It has it all. It's spicy, crunchy, fresh and full of flavor. Bake your own buns and you will own any crowd. Mark my words, just amazing crunchy goodness. Yum, yum. Yum. If you wanna raise classic B.L.T sandwich to the skies, this recipe is just for you. Bake your own sandwich bread, select your cold cured bacon, sear it perfectly, and select just ripe avocado and carefully use salt and pepper on your tomato. You can serve this fabulous sandwich to the gods themselves.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum.
If anybody says you can't put cheese on a fish, he'll be right. But not in here. This classic combination is just so wonderful that it's worth breaking the rules. Absolutely in love with this one. Now what a freaking good and flavorful sandwich.
Yum, yum. Yum.
Now there was this guy on TikTok and he requested a chicken sandwich but like for 2 months straight. So we finally came up with this one and it turned out to be one of the best sandwiches ever. The combination of avocado, perfectly seared chicken steak and cheddar cheese and lightly pickled onions. Wow, just great and absolutely irresistible.
Yum, yum. Yum.
Now when it comes to hot dogs, there is just too many combinations for one life. But I can tell you straight off that this one is one of the best combinations out there, ladies and gentlemen. It's salty, sour, sweet, spicy. It's so fresh and it simply has it all. Wow, what an amazing dish.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum.
Now we had this urgent need for meatball spaghetti and then it went like, we totally should try to make the sandwich with the leftovers. And there it is, so rich and pleasant. If you manage to get fresh oregano, go ahead. It's just crazy good and unforgettable. Just love it.
Yum.
No need to introduce grilled cheese sandwich, but this one is different. This twist goes super well with marinara sauce. Just make sure you use fresh basil. This one is just amazing, guys.
Yum.
Now I told you the Chicago hot dogs are the greatest, but I lied to you guys, I'm sorry. Or maybe I just love hot dog. Whatever. These Seattle style hot dogs are so original, creamy, spicy, cheesy, and the onions. Wow, fantastic hot dogs.
Yum, yum.
This recipe originally comes from Jamie Oliver, but we changed that a little bit. The secret of this burger is in the whiskey mayonnaise and amazing red Leicester cheese. This cheese is so fragrant and tasty. Perfect. Now what a great burger. Yum. for watching, guys. These recipes are representing almost a year of our work. So please hit us in the comments and tell us what you think about these. Thank you very much.